Sometimes in life, we tend to put all of our energy in one thing for long duration of time and neglect other aspects of our life in which we feel great.
But here's the dark truth. While you're upgrading one part of your life, everything else is quietly falling apart. On the flip side, imagine partying every weekend, binge watching shows, and ignoring responsibilities. Sure, at the moment, everything feels great, but your future self might not thank you for it.
And this is called the balanced life. A balanced life is not just about managing your time, it's about nurturing your body, mind, and relationships.
So, to have a balanced life, firstly you need to block your time. Set how many hours you will work for a day, and for those hours you will just work and do nothing else. And specifically, you need to block your second time also, which is playing, where you will journal, play with friends, and many other stuff you would do for your mind relaxation and fun. Moving further, as you work hard for filling up those banks, baby, you need to also do a physical activity, because working for long hours in a still position is very challenging for your body, and your body will beg for movement. So adding some physical activities and just a little bit of run, little bit of walk, or little bit of yoga would help a lot. This will make you physically and financially healthy. Coming to last point, this is the most important point from which you will have a balanced life which is healthy, wealthy, and great. And if you miss this, maybe you will never achieve your goals. See, having balanced life is everyone's dreams, which is ideal, but in this world there is no situation which is ideal. So this point is the ability to adapt. In life, certain situation will come where you need to adapt and react upon that. Like if you have so much assignments and work pending, you need to mostly focus on those things and leave other things for a while behind. And so goes on the other hand, sometimes you can take a rest day. Just like a gym, you work out 6 days a week and take a 1 day rest. Similarly, you can take a rest between your life to have a grateful and happy life. Once the Brian Dyson, the vice chairman of the Coca-Cola company, once said that imagine life as a game in which you are juggling 5 balls in the air. You name them: work, family, health, friends, and spirit. And you are keeping all of these in the air. You will soon understand that work is a rubber ball. If you drop it, it will bounce back. But the other four, but the other 4 balls, family, health, spirit, and friends, are made up of glass. If you drop one of these, it will shatter into pieces and maybe it never be joined again. So remember, balanced life isn't a dream, it's a choice. It's not about doing everything perfectly and managing all of your tasks evenly throughout your whole life. It's about adapting to the situation and acting upon those. And soon you will find your rhythm. Let's go.